A first-order linear differential equation has a special form. It says the derivative of y plus a function of x times y equals another function of x. To solve this kind of equation, we use something called an integrating factor. The integrating factor is e to the power of the integral of that function of x, which multiplies y. Let's solve an example. The derivative of y plus 2 divided by x times y equals x squared for x greater than 0. Here the function multiplying y is 2 divided by x. The integral of 2 divided by x is 2 times the natural log of x, so the integrating factor is e to the power of that, which simplifies to x squared. Multiplying every term in the equation by x squared makes the left-hand side into the derivative of x squared times y. Now we integrate both sides with respect to x. This gives x squared times y equals x to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus a constant which we call capital C. Dividing everything by x squared gives our solution. Y equals x cubed divided by 5 plus capital C divided by x squared. Let's check this answer. First we differentiate y. The derivative of x cubed divided by 5 is 3x squared divided by 5. The derivative of capital C divided by x squared is negative 2 capital C divided by x cubed. Now substitute this derivative and the original y back into the left-hand side of our equation. We get 3x squared divided by 5 minus 2 capital C divided by x cubed plus 2 divided by x times the quantity x cubed divided by 5 plus capital C divided by x squared. Multiplying out that last term gives 2x squared divided by 5 plus 2 capital C divided by x cubed. Adding everything together, the 2 capital C divided by x cubed terms cancel, and the 2x squared terms combine to give x squared. This matches the right-hand side of our original equation, so our solution is confirmed. Y equals x cubed divided by 5 plus capital C divided by x squared.